things I find as a creator is when I record videos, I don't always put that content into short written form. And I have been struggling with that and just realized there's a super simple way for you to convert the text subtitles from your video to something you can use. So here is a quick tutorial on how to do it. So if you upload the videos that you make on YouTube, and then you go to your creator dashboard, you can see mine, your best self, and you go to your videos, you'll see all your videos of choice. And you're going to see, if you click on any of these, you'll be able to jump right in. So this is going to work for any video. If you want to get the text, the subtitles from your video for free, this is what you need to do. And so the first thing you need to do is click on the video, and that will open a editor just for that video. Remember, we want the subtitles, which is the translated text from your written voice, and which is awesome because you need to pay services $1 or $2 a minute just to do this, and YouTube's going to do it for free. Now, there will be some errors. That's just the nature of the beast. You can edit those on the fly. But to get your subtitles, we would go to the subtitle section, and you're going to find the languages that are built in. Now, this is awesome because if you want to translate what you've created, you also can download the other language subtitles. Pretty awesome. But go to the English one, or the one you want to download. Hit the 3 dots. Click download. It's going to download a file called captions.sbv. Now, SBV is a really hard file to read and look at. Now, here's what it looks like when I download it. You're going to notice it's perfect for a computer, or if you want to lay it out on a video. It's got the exact timestamp, beginning and end, the text there. You can see some typos, but generally pretty good. So, since this was a 20-something minute video, I don't want to write this all out again. I think for my flow, I want to take what I created verbally, and then I would like to create that into written form. Either I will write it myself and use this as inspiration and guidance, or I can give it to a ghostwriter who can help me. But what's awesome is we now have a copy of our subtitles, but we can't use it in that format. So what you do is you go to a website that will convert it. So I found this one, captionsconverter.com. Super simple. Got lots of options. All we're going to do is we're going to choose the file. We're going to grab, you can see I downloaded it a couple times testing this out. We're going to grab that file. I'm going to choose text because I would like to create this into a written format, like an article. I'm going to hit the convert button. Alakazam. It's going to download it into a text file. And now, if I open that text file, please hold. We open it up. We'll see right here. Boom. There's the new one just created. Double click that. And here we are. It's just Windows City all over the place. All right. Here we can see, let's see, here's the after. And here, my friends, is the before. So if you would like to convert the subtitles for free off of your videos, follow this guide and you'll be able to do it. It's pretty excellent. Now also you'll see here is what I'm planning on doing. Is I'm planning on going through here, finding sections that I like, where I really find, where I kind of dive into where I made a mistake, where I was able to focus, where I wasn't. Here I talked about my podcast and having issues. I will probably copy this. I'll paste it into Medium and LinkedIn and other sites and use that to repurpose my content and ideas onto that platform, because some people aren't going to listen to what I created. They're not going to see this video. They may not watch my videos online, but maybe while they're driving on a podcast, they're reading while on a train, they'll get benefit from it. So I hope this helps you. If it does, or you have other tricks, let me know.